This place is very beautiful, and this place is located under the Kokrajhar district, and this place is known as Dhirbeel. And so many people are coming to roaming in this picnic spot, and you can see the beautiful scenery beside this river, and so many people are coming to boating on this river, and I hope you will enjoying with this video by watching my video. You can see the beautiful cloudy shining on the sky. This place is known as Dhirbeel. You can see so many people are eating pork, and this is the river. This river is known as Dhirbeel, and during the month of October and November, all are the servants are planted rice beside this river. You can see here already planted rice, and so many people are coming to see the beautiful places in this place. This is the rice plant already planted in this soil, and you can see people are enjoying by boating on this river, and the mountain is very beautiful. You can see the beautiful places beside this place. So many people are coming to enjoy in this place, and this place is surrounded by the wonderful natural things like different types of plants you will get in these places.